Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to use two WhatsApp in one number. So in theory, if you want to use a WhatsApp but with two different numbers, fortunately in theory you won't be able to do that because there is only one WhatsApp available, which is that one, right? But alternatively, what you gotta do in order for this to work out, you gotta just go ahead into your app store and then download the WhatsApp Business. WhatsApp Business allows you to add your phone number or different phone number, so you can function in two different numbers in the same app technically. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just open up the WhatsApp right here, and then I'm gonna just go ahead and click agree and continue. And from here, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and use different number, and then I'm gonna add right here the different phone number that I have in my SIM card right here. All right, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and continue, and then retrieving credentials. Okay, and basically you're gonna just wait for a few moments right here. Let me get back to my connection, right? So this is gonna work out, and then I'm gonna get back to you. Now as you can see right here, I added the exact phone number, right? So I'm gonna redo it again, hit next, and I'm gonna retrieve my credentials right here. I'm gonna wait for a few moments right here, and it says number confirmation. This phone is already being used by WhatsApp Messenger. If you continue, it will be used for WhatsApp Business instead. Hit continue right here, and they will send a code to the to that person. And then after you added that code, what you're gonna do, you're gonna be able to function the WhatsApp Business in your personal WhatsApp at the same time with two different phone numbers. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.